Hey guys, what's up? I am reviewing this 2019 BMW X5 M Sport Edition in the Turbo V8 xDrive 50i. Take a look at those BMW laser lights. These are the newest headlights from BMW. You notice the big grille on the front. That's a key feature of the new body style. This one has the big 21-inch wheels with the blue painted M calipers. You can see that sloping body line down the side. M Performance badging. There's a back shot of the 21-inch wheel. The M Sport model is going to give you the shadow line trim all around the windows. You get the painted fender flares, part of the M Sport package. Park sensors all around. This one has the factory tow package in the back. Backup camera. One touch for the trunk. And you have a push button for the tailgate feature to sit down. Extra storage. This one comes with the BMW all-weather mats. And of course you have your privacy shade. One touch close. Come down the passenger side. This is one of my favorite SUVs we stock. Moving to the inside, you have comfort access, keyless entry, real nice extended Napa leather with the nice stitching, Harman Kardon sound system. You have your back massage, all your memory seating, of course M badging, M gas pedals. These are the nice seats, the multi-contour seats. I love the stitching. These are the ventilated and heated seats, so you can see you got the perforations all along the butt and the back part of the seat to blow that air through the seats with the fans. M Sport steering wheel. I love the grip of the steering wheel. It's thicker, more padded. You have the digital dash with all your gauges digitally presented. Heated steering wheel built on. All your cruise features. Look at that big screen. Here's one of my favorite parts of the car. This is a pretty hard to find option on these X5s. It's a crystal trim package. You can see the shifter is made of crystals. The iDrive button and shift knob is made of crystals. The start stop is crystal. Even the volume knob is crystal. It's just a really nice touch on a luxury car like this. Your cup holders. You got a wireless charging pad right there. Right here, it's your heated and cooled seat features. You can customize all that. It's all touchscreen, so if you want hot and cold at the same time. You might ask why you would do that during the summertime. It's actually nice to be cooled off a little, and the heat will keep you dry, just in case you start to sweat a little in the seats. It's just a beautiful interior. You have Apple CarPlay built in via Bluetooth, screen mirroring, and the ability to use your vehicle as a Wi-Fi hotspot. One of my favorite things on the new X5s are the experience modes. You have executive, expressive, well-being, and end mode for the end of the day. All of these strategically change different settings on your car. They'll change the ambient lighting on the inside. They just kind of give you a different mood. You can see if we click expressive, check this out. Your colors on your gauges and everything will change a little bit. You can't tell, but you can tell that the lights end up lighting up red on the LED ambient lighting. So you have a lot of customization features like that. This one does have the panoramic sunroof with a full glass back part that's fixed. The part right above you actually opens up like normal. One more time at this shifter. You just have to enjoy that. It's so awesome. Real quick, I'm just going to give you a glimpse of the back seats. They're in excellent condition. You have extra Apple hookups right here. Different connections for accessories you could add on to the back of the seat. Heated back seats along with climate controls. Of course, you got your standard armrest with additional storage and cup holders. See that big moonroof? Kids love that. You got the sunshades in the back for any rear guest sitting in the back, reading or doing anything on a tablet. And finally, I'm gonna end it with a little video so you can listen to the V8 twin power turbo purr a little bit. You got your heat insulation on the hood. The daytime running lights are awesome on this car too. I can't really show you the headlights during the day, but this is a beast.